Well, it turns out more dangerous weather could be on the way.
Yeah, KGW is declaring a weather impact alert for Wednesday with powerful winds forecast across our region. Right now, the Oregon Department of Emergency Management is warning of potential power outages, and PGE says it's preparing crews and staging materials at line operation centers to address any outages quickly.
But this week I think there's an added element to it. We have the holidays, and and we just had the outages last week. So I think we are taking advantage of the time we have now to give folks that as much warning and kind of advanced planning as possible.
Yeah, we've definitely been hit already. PGE, though, recommends you have an outage kit ready, including a flashlight or headlights, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio and alarm clock or watch, a car charger for your cell phone, laptop, or tablet, a 72-hour supply of ready-to-eat food, and, of course, bottled water for people and pets.